Keblei pi baro syakatup khubor jangi ke dbmnTv. Kimat bakong san menta kasni kilong. Indra ke raising day kanip ko ha ka artarik yayong. Yemir jimut kibor ka an bat pulit bantek lakam ya kam khayi briu. Yo jing hikai kinong ya kali bat pat ba lingba ka road safety week. Bat linear kliang kinong ya kali hatan inshallah. Bat mintang in pa syaki khubor bakam binya. KHNYF East Khasinews sa kasingit hoding kalalit bani kenduk badu General Manager jangka nipko badai pet ya ke human resource ha ka bayade bakajing temu jangka ban penlong ya kajing rakhi ya ke raising day ha kasingi ublay kenang bekinong tre badai kristan jangka ni ke cooperation kinom sya penbor ban wan shimenta ha kani kajing rakhi Habakren chikilat pathai Khubor u General Secretary KHNYF East Khasinews uba Lber swear ulai thu bahadin kajing kenduk badu General Manager ulai thu ban namar kani kasngi kedi kasngi ublay nakaliang ka cooperation kamshim la penbor kinong tre ban wan shimenta syakani kajing rakhi Henry ka ai kamon lat lot yaki badon kamon ban wan shimenta Ulay thu ru ban namar kani kasngi rakhi kajing sedang kanip ko la jule ahaman ka artarik uyayong u General Manager ulay thu bakam de kajing le khanang kanip ko ban penmong ye kajing sngau kiriu nget kristan Henry kabala jule man usnem ha ka artarik uyayong bat namar menta usnem kade kasngi ublay nakaliang ka cooperation kampen bor AA ye kinong tre ban wan shimenta ben la yuthu uba Lber
Sini ni nakaliang kaseng la wan itu yo HR yo UGM jong ka HR ban pan ne kajing pusai apa dei ba kani ka dai jing de jong ka nakko ye katung kajing tip ba akan ni kasni sande ka banwan kadai ka farm sande ye kidon ki rewet kristan ki baterai hang ni ako ye nimla ban nakaliang ka office nakaliang kani ka office nimla ban usuli ban hawan ki akan ni ka oh ini sesuatu kadai kasni ka pangki nim opus yang kata andai ini kon perkat lang ya ka rights jong kristan mar kung ka fundamental rights tu kadan ba nakaliang kanu ka institution na kanu ka cooperation ka cooperate company na kanu kamlaban force yano ru hakabaya day bat banwan hakini kinja program kapta hakko ba ngat smisan dia na kanu sngi le nyam jong nu ya nada discriminate ya kata semut hilap penduduk hilap pengken ya kaan hilap pengken ya ka fundamental right jong bai ba long substong jong kadeka Jylla bat jong kadi dia ni bro ya kaju pensai ka bangil ayu anak kaliang jong kasara office na po hilang bang iklam po sing no kadi ka request about like hilap bonwan ada pin like nim po sih kalau ku pas telat ba ni ke office kala sim ya rai ke bopiang kam kanu ke jutau ke jekta ini ru ini ketiak kita sebut
Ketanat Criminal Investigation Department CID hapok kajing penyat u Special Superintendent of Police haka Laiphoi terik Lber kala pelong ye kajing yalang merjingmut ban pensyai bat ban hikai pat ba kumno ban yada bat ban kiar na kibriu ki bekerni hagi kambean ban khayi briu ye kini kajing yalang merjingmut la pelong ha State Convention Auditorium Shillong Hakini kejingelang lawan Shimbenta do Director General of Police Dr. Lber Bishnoi ka Chairperson Jangka State Commission for Protection of Child Rights Kong Yamon Lang Seim ka Director of Meghalaya State Judicial Academy Kong KML Nongbri u Senior Superintendent of Police CID Branch Dr. Raghavendra Kumar bat kiwe Kajing temu juga ni kajing yalang merjingmut kalang ban pensyai bat pensngau thu iki bor pulit bat kiwe ki bejan benta hakaliang jangkaan kumno ban yada bat ban te lakam yaki kam khai bean yaki para breu khamtam yaki kenthei khanna.
First of all, let me express my sincere gratitude to CID Meghalaya Police for organizing this workshop and giving us opportunity to be a part of this workshop. I was told that many judicial officers are also present here, so we can have the interactive sessions and we can share our thoughts about the problems of the human trafficking. The human trafficking, when we discuss things about human trafficking, many ideas come to our mind. Many thoughts bombard our minds. What is a human trafficking? why this problem is prevalent in India, what are the likely causes for these problems, what are the factors responsible for the human trafficking, and what is the existing legal provisions to take care of these problems, how this problem can be solved in India. All these thoughts come to our mind. If you have interest in history, in 11th century, the Lber visited India. And after that, in 14th century, Ibn Battuta also came here. Both of these travelers, they mentioned about the problems of the slaves system in India, where the human beings were purchased and sold like any other commodity. This slavery system is just like a component of human trafficking. And the human trafficking has many facets. The Article 370 of the IPC and the Immoral Trafficking Prevention Act 1956, they have described the human traffickings in very details. So basically, I'm not going for exact legal definition, but it has to be three components in it. First is action, second is transportation, and third is the purpose. So the Article 370 has mentioned 5 or 6 action points. You have to take a person either by fraudulent means or by deceit or by the forceful means, like that, 5 or 6 factors they have mentioned. Then the transportations of the trafficking victims, the shelter or harborers, the receptions, destinations, and then purpose. There are many purposes why the human being indulge in purchasing and the selling of the human beings itself. So there are many purposes are given, like the commercially exploitations, commercially sexual exploitations, bonded labors, the beggings, the drug peddlings, organ donations, even the domestic servant. So these are the few purposes. So as per investigations, if any of these purposes, one action, one transportation point, and one purpose, if IO can prove it in the court, then case can be convicted. But it is quite a challenging task, you know. Why it is a challenging? Because proving component, all these 3 parts of any components is not that easy. It requires a hell lot of efforts by the IO at his level, as well as the efforts by the supervising officers.
Ke District Transportation to Office Ribhoi District ringkat ke Office u Deputy Commissioner bat ke PWD Road minta kesengi ke Laiphoi ter Lber kila pelong ye ke program road safety hapalau jang ke Office District Transportation Nongpo. Kejing temu jang ni ke program ke long ban pinsa priang ye ke Khubor ban shingan ha ke let kawan ha ki surok ba National Highway na ke liang kinong yak kali bat ki briu ki bayat bayeng harut ki surok yat kali. Ye ke ni ke program road safety week lazang nadu ke arpunyau ter Lber. Naduk kita gisngi ke Office DTO Nongpo bat ki pulet ribhoi kila pelongi ki program beper hakeleng ki jaka hakaba kila pensha ki pat ba bat ki nongnya kali halor ki kendon ki an banyada bat kiarna ki accident ki baljujia kha hakini ki por pementa hakini ke sngi la ajingkren di ki officer beper ki bekentup yo ba DSR Lakyang traffic in charge ke Nongpo police station Dr N Karnayor Civil Hospital Nongpo D. Shilla, SDO PWD Nongpo, VR Rinklem, DTO Nongpo, Ba Dawati Wajri, ki association jang ki taxi bat sumo bat ki driver. ki program Safety Week kila ai jing hikai bat jing tip amtang ye kitu ki belawan ban sngap Henry ye ki pai ba ki basang hasnong tha
Jia alti sengki ini. Kumbang ini ni ila cakap tang ni ila cakap jam. Natang ila si di school ni kita ni kuat bang ila kumbang ni ni sub ni sai ni wan pai wan ka sub ka sai. So yin sesam ni. Tak kata ni mut ba limpa kalau tinggia sofi kan dia. Aga jing nanti ni wan nanti dia ni apa nanti apa sengki. Karena terakhir dulu ni langsung ini kisah ini madam nilai keren Jepang pada safety terakhir langsung tu langsung nilai mention badan kami umum di kisah madam nanti sudah keren simbol kami dan mobile kamera apor pada nyai kali imreban use mobile dan itu important call saya bapun di office nilai pun pusatnya kali dengan ini ibu saya jadi minatnya juga. Terkepang pipa kamala sohaba pornya kali award dan receipt call. Ban call sebagai sohaba ban award kali bro. Ban kiam kan tahu. Tapi dan kamu mau itu sohaba buat saya hilang bandai ban call lino kuat. Waktu belum ide kisen berkat diom kapor jam 3 bagi buat saya. Mulai kayak dah ini. Kaya ini nak dulu India bang susi. Boleh ngai ciri ba driver. Lekran ni driver. Lekran ni orang driver, kuai driver. Mana nadu benda orang driver baru berkat tamu driver taksi waktu driver. Jadi nak. Kini terus safety kami memang kami bisa di lokal taksi atau driver kami. Yang naik pingar banyak kali ada driver. Yang besar banyak kali ada driver. Biasa mentara kecil kecil banyak kali itu cinta masyarakat sering ada driver. Kini terus safety memang kami pergi driver taksi. Yang bagi biro tu. Sebab dia sedang kami kerja kami kali lokal taksi. Jadi di passenger vehicle nama, di local di private vehicle di accident dengan bos kor. Dan kalau kini kalau safety buat apply dia baru di driver. Kemudian sesi ini cuma dia baru banyak lagi kali motor jadi driver. Dari sini patungnya baru yang ada pun bercuai baru orang ini mau ini berkam punya bercuai kesibel yang lama orang ini nak pun bah pun di accident di bawah dia atau highway atau di area mana apa. Jadi pada juga kondisi itu tadi tapi nama umur berlalu lagi. Ada itu kesibel dari yang saya.
Tip mano badai ki trajang ki laitli ki petrol pump Shillong West Khasinews district ki bayeng bhabrio kinjreng Henry Kim Ajing Shakri ye ki nongnya kali bad ye ki pat ba hakini kathan namar ki trai kim don pisa baiseng ban penbiang pniang petrol bat diesel bat ki penyeng da ka blackboard bahe balatho petrol diesel nil no stock available. Kat kum ke jingat hu ki nongnya kali na kini kathan ki ong bakini ki petrol pump Shillong ki longkum ki mau benna sa nam hasnong nartiang ne hayau lat lingkot. Kat ba ka petrol pump hariang do ka pahu bha kompanyang petrol bat diesel. Katanak terekam weight and measure jong ke sorkar Jylla kadai ban thokit bat jurip yakini ki petrol pump Shillong kila ai jingmut. Kesin beningkong mentau senem arjar arpulai bo upria ubajur ulawan jungo bat pen pengat ya kamariang bat Lber haki knong ki bah kejat ulum Shillong kamtam ye kita nyongkrem umprop smit bat kishnong bamarjan menta kesengi ka live hoi terik Lber. Kinong rep ki ba 4 seilung ki jingthung halingkha kila kemen shibon kat ba ye kitu ki balathung lapor ye upan bat ki wei ki jur ki balas dang spe halingkha kila linear namar upria ula sho bat kedia lut ye ki spe ki balas dang lat kendau la katta ye ke jingle jong kamariang kasngi Lber uslap bat upria umdon jabing bat bor perkhat ban bat lakam Ukun benriu udon tangkaway Khubor halade, kata kalong bansyanya teli haublay terai kendrat nong bu nong tau. Kipat ba na resubel para kila kem bitar bat klut lan ya ke video hakawai ke jingyalang social audit ban pet benya ya kisngi bekila pendap ya kijing tray MGNREGA kaba kipat ba kila ot bat ujor bala kentiu duna ya kisngi tray jongki don na pedeng kini kibriu kibala ot bala tho ya kisngi tray jongki tang live house ngi haka jaka shispa sngi bekila dep tray Kipat ba kila bitar yak video kabala persyang ban batai Henry dan bas ngap syu yaka. Kipat ba kila dawa na ka video ban ai marmar ki juba petikna kenang begitu kibadon yak job card kin hun bat menjur. Namar lejur ke jing hala lakot marmar ki pulit ban tem yak jing klut kipat ba. Deputy Commissioner Ula Hukum ya Project Director DRDA ban pet benya yak ni ke jing ot bat pha report sya ukloi lan kat bala.
Mula tinga, mera awaman ya dah sumi isu jokona, ni jawab kamu. Angna bos sumai na sumi, sumai angna pasti tidak sumai engineer dia sumi sasuna kam kainga. Di bayar ya bersih deh, angni join kat cengon mo, join kat cengon government tu dos pun sudah apa government mana dapat dah skill app na computer na jago begini macam juga how Jika tentang tasung nikri, kalau ingin buat Aadhaar nak tak kata nak tasung nikri, tentang changes sampai apa? Ye, bicara aku sekarang ni jual tak cekong mana jasa ni kita pun desa tunggu kamu mesti saksa, group desa, misi tangkap kita anak sekarang. Kata ni kata example tu tak kaniya. Yang dikira kamu problem mana tapi Aadhaar tak ni, jago itu saksa tangkap aja. Ini memang problem banget. Anjir, dah dah iyo akan ni, nak semua mainan kita sakitnya, angni saksani belok dah, technically belok dah, seni ba belok dah, jadi gemes, mungisa mai solution ko, wal mungisa jadi apa lagi nak, semua support ko ba nanggin, ini nak semua masih tak mahu cuma ba, kamu nak demo, 100% kami kamu kana manda, cuma ba mandisa, sebab balaya. Kenapa busy orang election orang dah aku reason orang sudah mau kemudian perfect sudah ini masih tak apa ya kau deh ikut dia tak kira kang mau deh anjing solve kagen doktor kagen doktor kaja udah kagen doktor kagen jadi bah udah ni tak mau udah mau tak sini nak so kita tak punya kan dengan di bah nak sebut publik kita tak boleh tak sini nak sebut hogi nak makan macam nak tagen memang dikenal transfer ibu kata nama tagen mau nanti video kita just kau sahaja no ini kita publik kita tak jangan ini yang mencara so ni kita tak punya kan buat job punya mana era Cuma taki problem ko ni sa masuk ko di attendance ba problem masuk ko di entry ka ba problem work order sa ko malaan gadang dog chi to ka angoni ba sir DC on to ka sir DC sa last to work order ko kini sa usa buti na ni naman itang reason lang wani jasa sa ya problem isa problem kundi direct ko pa na manjaro ini yang mana tunggu ya masih tak tahu. Jika bukan sini ada orang semua itu bukan tidak tu 100 orang staff meeting ko bang ada third April no panjo kacida apa cimo ninja bersih kamu panjo lok Hero tak mana
Hãy subscribe cho kênh Ghiền Mì Gõ để không bỏ lỡ những video hấp dẫn. daun song je video ni clips kon nia chum yan job card ni gata resu blog ko balsi sao sanaba sal kolachi sanaba sal sotprisa dakirangsan onaman nani gemen public golmal ung thokoingani kon song sakantin video ni clips so nekna gata manaha
Ulat Pagu Chohan ulalit jungo ya ke Durga Temple hanar tiang haka lai pau terik Lber haba ula bena ya ke nam jongka hakani ke Jylla. La pediang burom ya ulat da uba BS Solia DC ubikram di Marak SP ki opisa sorkar na West Jante Hills ki lingdo na kani ke Temple ki nong senchar shnong bat ki pat ba na nar tiang. Ki kena School Ramakrishna Mission ki layat rinti ban pediang burom ya ulat. Ulat ularung bat ngu riu belai ha temple bat ulai kren bat kinong peniat jangka. Ulalit jengo ru iki mau bena bala bena nam hakeling ke perthai ki badan hakani ke shnong. Ulalit shajawai bat ulai kren bat ki opisar ki badan ha West Jante Hills bantip naki ye ki jingtrai haki kam pendroi ye ki shnong jangkani ke district. Janmiet ulawan pai Shillong. Uba A. Andrew Shulai, MDC JHADC, ulakren play haka seminar beshisngi balapelong daka Assam University Silchar, halor kapang Politics and Political Processes in 5th and 6th Scheduled Regions of India, hakasngi balang balala. Uba Andrew Shulai, ulabatay kijing bagi District Council kia kendu hakini kisnem balala nakadaw baka sorkar India baka sorkar Jylla kila shimno ikijing penyat iki school primary nakikti jing District Council kabala khanglat ikijing penroy ikikti tenrai haki jakari long. Ulo ongru baka jing bomdan kaan mana kentiap sing kumbalong haying darbar parliament bat ying darbar thawan ke Jylla kalawan ra ikijing kala kha kibor senchar haki District Council. Kejingdon jangka kendon khatar haka 6th schedule kalawan ra ikjing tuko ki bakraw haka jing terekam jang District Council. Uba Andrew ulapen pawi kejing kermen bakila don kejing perkhat ban penjana ke 6th schedule haki sngi ban wan ki ban penbahai ke rukom terekam jang District Council. Ula kentu yiki akhia jeliu jing perkhat ban wat bat tip shu yiki pang jing tip halor ki an jang 6th schedule kenang baki riu lum ritpat kin roy ha barok kiliang khamtam lele yala kaktin ka thale bat ki dustur kiriti ban penlong ye kari India ka bakraw. Ya kini ke seminar la sandur do Professor Dr. Moses Kharbithai bat Dr. Harsha S.
Only after coming to politics I started learning this. Even before I went elections for as member of the City Council, I never used to learn fully about the section. So I think to be in the political system or to be in the political area, I think that political science is, I think people who are in the political science will be able to know more about the political situation, about what's their constitutional provisions in politics. So you are also one of the, this department or this subjects which you are studying now, I think will help you a lot in the future in whatever stream, because this will, you'll know more about the political situations of Northeast and even as the country as a whole. So I'm here at the moment, I'm been asked to speak as a member practitioner. What are the challenges and what are the working situation of the institutions? As you know, this is one of the provision of the Constitution, which is very, the forefathers who has envisaged this provision, they have think very far on how to administer the tribal areas. As you know, I think all of us also here, we have distinct, different versions right from food, culture, ethnicity. Most of us, even between the Northeast also, we have different varieties. And this provision, I think, it has it has helped us to maintain that. So as a member of the Hills Conversation Councils, we have 30 members, 29 are elected, and 1 is nominated by the government. So most, I think, I don't know if you are gone through the detail of the 6th schedule or not, in your point of view, but as you see, the main difference now, when they envisage it in the beginning, it's all same in the powers, functions, and nothing same. But as time goes, as with time, there are so many amendments, and amendments differ from state to state. The amendments are what happened now. There is a talk about the relevance of the district councils in some states.
Uba Miral Bonds aim Emily ka Nongpo kumukongsan ula penhap ya kalama jang school St. Paul's High Secondary School Nongpo Hamadan NSCA paham aim ban penwa ya ka Interhouse School Sports hakalai puway tere Lber. Hakani ka sngi penwa ya kani ka lumpung ya Cop Sports jang kani ka school ladon lang ki rangba ki bakentop yu rangba shnong ka paham aim uba Jetwin Lingdo Sister Angelina Marak headmistress kinong hikai bat kikimi kikpa. Haka jingkren uba Miral Bon ula penpau ya kajingkemen ban UI kajingshong shit ban jing he min sim jang ki kena kani ka school. Ki sports ki penroy met bat min sim haka long brio man brio jang ki kena ula ong. Ki kena ki day ban roy tang haka jing puli Henry Habaro ki liang jong kajing im hang nia sala perthai. Lasam ya ka nam job shabaro ki kena ki bla shimmenta kajing de akai babun jat. Ka Blue House ka lalong ka kinhon ka balara ya ka thong jing job baningkong.
Pampuai, kijing pam, ki jarda, ki khoini, kijing di drop, ni hapan kiar, lailung laiwa, lagi di kijing sniu. Ni iksibun, ki kena school, agak juk ke pemerintah. Ni layak lah, nagi babun ki kam di rumah. Ki kimi ki pa ki jong hi, ki pas school hi. Don ki long ying ki baduk, ki bahap pendiang dagarap kesyak. Ban penbiang ya ki bai school, ban penbiang ya ki uniform, ban penbiang ya ki bai kot, namar kata atau ngin buram, ya ki kimi ki kpa, ki bala kersan, na ka benta jomhi. Ki kena school ki bi, pin buram, bat pin pendon buram ya ki nahi kai ki bi ki jomhi. Ki bala ai, ki bala psut, ya ki sembok ke jengnang jeng start, pedeng jomhi. Bapin kiu syafran sakmat. Dongin long ki kena school ki bertip sini. Ki banang la ban kiu syafran sakmat. Hai ki jeng im ki banang wan. Mendaga sengi ki laya saki. Ya ki jeng dia kai athletics ka ba. Internet nilai ki cuki nilai yo ban pet ya ki relay 4x1 4x4 ka ba. Internet hadu kata-kata bang ikitbok ki riang ki student. Kadon gawi ke quote ka ba ong haktin paren. Run when you can, walk if you have to, crawl if you must, just never give up. On St. Paul Higher Secondary School, it's not behind in performing in different academic record within the state. St. Paul has produced good students who are brilliant, who are dedicated, who are sincere in the duties. And I hope in the days to come, in a different level, in the SSLC examination, in HSSC examination, that the students of St. Paul Higher Secondary School, they will do well in future. And we would like to see that more students, they will perform. They will make St. Paul Higher Secondary School proud. They will make their parents proud. They will make the locality proud. Misal sorong bahagi por kibaladep ke St. Paul Higher Secondary School kelaju penmi ya ki nak school kibalapas bah hagi exam hagi SSLC kumjuru haka Higher Secondary School certificate.
Minta kesengi kalai puai terik Lber ke St. Mary's High Secondary School Shillong kelapelong ya ke annual school sports meet Don Bosco Mini Stadium St. Anthony's High Secondary School Shillong. Most Reverend Archbishop Victor Lingdo ke Jylla ulalong ukongsan bat ke kong RM Kurba ke badai ke DC jong ke East Khasi Hills bat ke Director of School Education and Literacy and State Projector of SSA ke lalong ke sembut kongsan harungkat ke jingdon ke Principal ke School Sister Sonia ke Superior jong ke School Sister Ranu Principal ke St. Anthony's Father Anthony kiwe ki padar ki Sister nakaseng RNDM ki kimi ki kpa bat ki kena jong ke school. Lasdang ya ke annual sports meet da ke jingdwai balai alam da ke choir jang ke school bat bot sa ke march pass balai shimenta da ki house bepe. Hadin kini ladon ke jingpen kiu ya ke lama jang ke school da ukongsan bat ke sembut kongsan bat ke jingdwai ya ke national anthem jang keri. Habakren hakate ke sports meet Most Reverend Archbishop Victor Lingdo ulong ba ke sports ke de ke way na ke jingdon kam na ke benta ki kena pule banyo ya ke jingkwat jingkia. Ulong ru baka sports ka ajing hikai kumno bantare shitom bat kayarap ban penyar jingmot jing berkat banduk poi syakatong nalor baka ajing hikai yingi ban yele bat ban yeng scam halaki jong ki kejat hashwa ba un penkut ya ke jingkren ula ai ke jing kublai kitbok ki kena pule bikin le bha ha ke sports bat harungkat ke jing pule jong ki kesembut kongsan ke kong RM Kurba kalau ong bakadap de kejing sngau kemen bakala syakot bandan lang bat ki kena skul ha kate kesngi bat ka ai kejing koblai sngau ngu ya baro ki padar ki sistar ki nong hikai ki kemi ki kpa bat ya baro ki kena skul jong St. Mary's High Secondary School Shillong. Kate kesembut kongsan ke ban syongno nakashuki kum ka Director of School Education and Literacy menta kesngi ban shimti ya kashuki jong ka DC East Khasi Hills kala ai jingero ya ki jingwai ki jingshat bat ki sports beper. Shwaban penkut ya ke jingkren kala penken mau ban bo akhmat ningkong ya ki para marjan ban yarap ya ki kamtam ya ki tu ki badan kam shisha ya ke jingrap jongi kumni ngin la ban long briu man briu ha ka jing em jongi kala ong. Lepenkut ya ke take annual sports meet da ke jing sam prize bat ke drill display na ki kena school.
Perharengkat ki jing puli jongki.
RM Kurba IAS Deputy Commissioner East Khasi Hills. I'm happy to greet our Principal of St. Mary's Higher Secondary School, Sister Sonia Chako, and Vice Principal, and all the sisters here, Father Anthony, Sister Ranu, and all the teachers, staff, students, parents. Today I'm really happy to be here because we know that St. Mary's Higher Secondary School is one of the best schools in our state of Meghalaya. Good morning to everyone. I am very happy to see every one of you blooming in the spirit of the Sports Day. I believe that everyone present here is good, doing good, and super excited about today's Sports Day. Sport is for the good physical fitness and strength. Sports make our life interesting and teach us to be a hard work person and push limits to reach a new high. Sport is an amazing concept which helps us to be alive and active. Playing various sports help us in different life skills, such as teamwork, as we have seen today during the march past, leadership, accountability, patience and self-confidence, and prepare us to face life challenges. Dear students, through sports, different activities, you get a chance to work on your physical and mental ability to achieve goals in your life. Sport instills plenty of values that help students journey through life with honesty and responsibility for themselves and others. Sport can teach values in a life such as fairness, team building, equality, discipline, inclusion, perseverance, and respect. Many people believe that winning is the most important aspect of a sport. I, however, believe that sportsmanship is the most important aspect. To be able to compete well, a player must have respect for their teammates. Why should we like sports? Sports create communities, facilitate socialization, and unite different groups and generations. It allows people to share a common passion, nurturing a feeling of belonging to something greater than just one's own team. So the planet is our playing field, and as such, it must be cared for and maintained. Lessons that we learn from sports. Hard work is the key to success. Teamwork makes the dream true. You won't always win, and that's okay. You can never win if you don't play fair. Focus determines your reality. Confidence is a path towards victory, and overconfidence leads to downfall. Never give up. All your actions have consequences. So all the students of the school are encouraged to participate in the Sports Day event. And my sincere thanks to all the faculty who put the effort behind today's Sports Day event. I conclude my speech by quoting 3 quotes. First, if I, being a mother of 2, can win a medal, so can you all. Take me as an example and don't give up. Mary Kom. Second, your dreams are what define your individuality. They have the power to give you wings and make you fly high. PB Sindhu. When people throw stones at you, you turn them into milestones. Sachin Tendulkar. Therefore, I wish all of you, dear students, all the best for today's sports function. And today, I'm very happy to declare the St. Mary's Higher Secondary School annual Sports Meet 2023 declared open.
Let's rejoice in the beautiful
Bat dak itu ki Khubor ngilapoi syakabakut tak haduk Bangladesh yang kublai shipon.